concern is that in communities where you have ongoing trauma, I think you find this in situations where there is war, and as it occurs in our communities, there is ongoing war. And when you have a lot of trauma, what you get is a situation where individuals, there's a sense of hopelessness and acting out behavior on the part of relatives of individuals who are deceased, or there's some perception of injustice. And there's almost a malaise that sets in, I have found, to certain communities. We have one community that we are looking at, a violent-ridden community, and the entire community, it seems, the lethargy that you get on an individual basis, you get it at a community level.